subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.
Hello dear visitor, in this video I'm going to show you how to install. So you can see I have already installed this Android Studio and it's now successfully installed. So just click on the next and I'm going to start this studio. In this setting there have two setting, import studio setting from the previous version and do not import setting. So I do not have any previous version, so just click on the OK. Android Studio are opening. And they are downloading some data and you must be need to internet connection for complete this section. Okay, now go to the next and select standard, click next, and there are the Darkula or Intel J mode. I'm choosing this Intel J mode and click next, and you can see there are some data file and it will be download after click on the finishing. So the downloading location is user Alpur app data local Android SDK. So just click on the finished and you can see the data are downloading. Okay, after downloading I'll be back, so give me a break. Okay, after successfully downloaded, just click on the finished and you can see our Android Studio are now successfully ready for creating new apps. If you an existing previous app, you can open by this existing Android Studio project, and this is the started new Android Studio project. So I am going to create a new project. Just click on the start and then choose the application name. I am choosing a name, video online market, and this is the company domain name. You must be entered a company domain name like a domain. I am choosing my own domain. Okay, this is the my own domain, and this is the project location. And this location, this project will be saved. And this is the package name, com.pd online market. Okay, now click on the next, and this is the version minimum SDK for your apps. The lowest version of your uh, created Android applications support our minimum 4.0.3 ice cream sandwich, and you can choose on your selection. I'm choosing the minimum 4.0.3, and I am choosing only tablet and phones. Now click on the next. And if you want to choose another, there are the TV or OS, Android Audio, Auto, and Android things. So I am going to make this only for phone and tablet. So I'm choosing this one, and this is the version minimum version 4.0.3 ice cream sandwich. So click on the next, and on the hair there is too many layer. I am going to choose the empty activity and click on the next, and this is the activity name. You can choose anyone. I am choosing the default main activity. Okay, click on the next. Okay, now click on finish. Okay, the project are loading. In this situation will be take some time. uh, if your internet connection speed are high, then it will be quickly sync, and otherwise it will be take some time. You can see the apps are downloading. This is the server downloading, and these file are downloading on the server. Okay, click on the allow access your network. Okay, the project file are successfully installing, and some another file are downloading. Okay, I've successfully downloaded all component. Our project are going to loading. There are some news. We can hide this by clicking on here. Okay, this is the main activity .java, and this is the main activity main XML, and this is the layout of the designing apps. Okay, the Android Studio are successfully loaded fully. Now this is the layout. This is the application layout, and this is the design. Just designed, and this is the blueprint, and this is the design plus blueprint with a company, and this is the model of the devices model, and this is the API version for preview, and this is the apps theme, and this is the default margin. This margin, you can see the margin, this is called the margin, and this is the viewing option. So in the next video tutorial I will be show you the how to edit how to add contents and something other. So today is the thanks for watching my first tutorial, and subscribe my channel for the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.